fuck with us. I was taking trips every week to get my bucks bigger. Fell off 100 times, but it come with it. If the price make sense, don't come get it. If the price make sense, then I'm on the way. Just in a spot talking about it, nigga, me and Jay. Ask you with a full of work, nigga, I really seen it. Show you my love with my actions, nigga, really mean it. Nigga, look how this shit going. 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 Younger boss, nigga, put the city on my shoulders.